back to my channel. I'm so excited you are here today. We are finally decorating my bedroom for Christmas. We are doing something so different in this room, which is why I am so excited to share it with you guys. It is more glam, blush pink, very like plaza vibes, hotel, just so beautiful, romantic, just perfect for a master bedroom, maybe a dining room or a office even. So this year's theme is slightly different from last year. Last year I did a ton of flowers. I will have that video linked down below for you because that was a really cool tree as well. And a lot of you told me that was your favorite tree that I decorated last year, which I was so surprised by. That theme was more like Enchanted Forest last year. I did a real garland on the headboard. This year I'm doing something totally different. I can't wait to show you. So if you are ready, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you love a little glam, and if you love Christmas, don't forget to grab a snack and something cozy to drink, and let's jump right in. Since I started filming later in the day, my bed was already made, but I wanted to push all my pillows back so I could get ready to vacuum. My headboard was pretty dusty and I wanted to make sure it was clean before we put the garland up. The garland I'm going to use here is actually from Walmart, and it was a really good price. It was under $15, and I think it's still available on the website. So if you are looking for garland still, make sure you check it out. It was a great deal. I am used to working with real garland, minus obviously my flocked one I use in the downstairs like mantle, but I was struggling, you guys, with this garland. So I definitely recommend manipulating it and kind of fluffing it out maybe before you even put it up, because it was so stiff it just kept wanting to fall. But once I got the hang of it, we are just going to go through and fluff it up. You can see I still have some of my fall decor in here, so I got to get that taken down. I also was thinking about adding this additional garland in, but you will see at the end of the video I completely changed my mind. I originally wanted to go for a very minimal look. I don't know why I do this to myself every time. Like, I'm thinking I wanted to be minimal, and then I slept on it overnight. I woke up the next day and I said, no, we need more. So you'll see in these clips I add in the second garland, which was still very beautiful, and twinkle lights, but the entire thing is going to change at the end. Now, this is some mistletoe that I picked up from the Target dollar spot. I thought that was super cute to put right in the center of the bed, and I love mistletoe. I just think it's so cute and pretty, and this one had a nice red ribbon on it. Okay, do you guys see how beautiful this is with just the two garlands and then some twinkle lights? These twinkle lights are the same ones that I used even in the fall. Love them. They're from Amazon. I think it's like a 12 pack for $12 or something. They're amazing. Battery operated, and I just love this look. Very, very simple, very minimal. Because I'm starting my Christmas decorating so late this year, you guys, I'm actually thinking that, and I'm not 100% sure because maybe I'll want to take it down, but I'm thinking I might take down all of the like ornaments and that type of decor. And I love when I see people just leave Christmas trees up and garland up, because I live in Michigan and our winters are just so dark here. It's something I'm really considering. So let me know in the comments down below, will you guys be so sick of looking at trees and garland come January? Like, do I need to take all this down? So basically it'll only be up for about 2 weeks because I think it's 16 days until Christmas. So I'll leave this up for 2 weeks. Or do you think I should just kind of make it winter decor and leave it up through January so we can enjoy it more? Originally, I wanted to purchase some blush pink throw pillows and some silver holiday pillows. I thought that would have looked really cute with the look that we are going for in this room. With all of the craziness, I never got around to it. So I'm really glad that I have my capsule bedding, just really good neutral pieces. I can add in a couple throw blankets, add in that pop of blush. Then I'm going to take down all of the rest of the fall decor on my side tables, and we're going to add in some festive little holiday trees. Now that I have all of the fall decor removed, I am just going to wipe down these mirrors and these nightstands, make everything fresh and clean so we can add in our trees. So I picked up these trees from Hobby Lobby when they were 50% off, so they came out to $5. I added them to my marble vase. I added a little bit of moss, and I love the way that these turned out. So do you see how this would be like really good winter decor once there isn't any of the ornaments in? I'm telling you guys, I think I'm kind of feeling it. Tell me what you think. Next, I'm wiping down this mirror. In a second, you will see Bianca is about to join me. She asks for the iPad and I ask for a hug. She's doing so much better, you guys, like fully recovered. I'm just so happy that is all past us, but you will see. Okay, so at first I wanted to add something really simple, just a little swag right here in the corner, some twinkle lights. And again, this was another area. I just woke up the next day and I was like, we need more. So make sure you stay till the very end so you can see how this area turned out. Now we're just going to quickly go through and vacuum everything, and we are getting ready to start decorating the tree. I'm going to readjust the bedding here and then finish this space off with a little bit of the Mrs. Meyer's peppermint room spray. Now we are finally getting to the Christmas tree. I am adding in these beautiful gold leaf picks at the top. I used these in my dining room clean and decorate video at Christmas time last year, but I just thought with the glam look that we are going for this year that this would be so beautiful in this space. I love the look of the leaves. I wanted to add in one more texture, so now we are incorporating these glittery sticks just to kind of help bring some of that gold further down onto the tree, where we will then add in our ornaments. For the placement of the ornaments, I'm starting with one color and one shape at a time. Once I apply all of the ornaments that are exactly the same, I will move on to a different color and shape just to make sure everything is perfectly balanced. Okay, with all of my extra time I've had, you know, at the hospital and being at the house and just taking care of the whole family being sick, I've had so much time. This is Bianca. She just got out of the bath and she's coming to give me love and hang out with me before bed. But I had so much time to look at all of your beautiful content of your simple, elegant trees, and I was very inspired. I was like, okay, I'm going to create a very simple, elegant tree. And then, of course, the next morning I woke up and I was like, this is just, it's not me. I want it to be me, but it's just like, it's not me. And I decided to add a million more things. So unfortunately, I did not film that part. I just woke up and started decorating. But you'll have to let me know in the comments, do you like it more simple and elegant like this, or do you enjoy it over the top, how you will see it at the end? Okay, here's a perfect example. Look at how just beautiful, hand-painted, sparkly ornament. I thought it was just going to be so perfect on its own, simple yet beautiful, but man, the tree was just really missing that wow factor for me. So anyways, we are going to finish vacuuming, then I'm going to add in this gold sparkly tree skirt. That I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Okay, here is the last and final area that I changed my mind on. I wiped everything down. I decided to add in a garland. I think I just have way too much stuff on this dresser and it was way too cluttered for me. So although I love the look of people putting a garland on their dresser, it just did not work for my space. So I'm going to remove it, and I'm so excited. After I'm done applying the garland, I finally get to give you a tour of what I ended up doing, my super glam over the top Christmas decor, and you guys are going to absolutely love it. I know I do. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. See, look how cute. Like, I love a garland on a dresser, but I just have too much stuff on this dresser, so it just didn't work. But if you have a garland on your dresser, do not take it down because it probably looks really cute. But here you go, guys, the final review. Oh, holy night, the Alright friends, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a ton of Christmas inspiration. Don't forget to come back in just a couple days. I will have a few more decorating videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.